We're pleased you have chosen AT&T for your new AT&T IP Flex Reach over AT&T Dedicated Internet. Now that your service has been turned up, this final video in our series will explain the resources available to you should any performance issues arise with the service or if you need to make changes. Our goal is for you to have an exceptional experience that extends beyond the installation. After the technician successfully completes the test and turn-up of your new service, it is ready to be used and will show active in the AT&T systems the next business day. You will receive an email detailing the completion of the installation. For technical issues, please contact Voice Maintenance and use Prompt 1. To learn more about the powerful capabilities and features of your new service, go to the IP Flex Reach site on AT&T Care Central. The link is below this video screen. With regards to your bill, it will typically be sent to you on the 5th of each month. Questions that might arise as you review your bill should be directed to the phone number on your bill, or you can always reach out to your AT&T sales representative. If you experience any service or performance issues with your service, please, again, contact the AT&T Business Center and select Prompt 2 for technical assistance. Or, if more convenient, you can open a trouble ticket through Express Ticketing. Just go to att.com/express ticketing and follow the step-by-step instructions found there. If you choose to use the Express Ticketing tool, you are able to escalate the issues just 2 hours after submitting through just the click of a button. As you know, the only constant for business is change. At some point, you will inevitably need changes made to your service to accommodate the needs of your business. Please reach out to your AT&T account executive who will help place the order. If you need help finding information on your existing or new AT&T service, call the AT&T Business Center. We hope you have found this information helpful in understanding the resources available to you to support your new AT&T service after installation. Your satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.